Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in today's video. I'll be doing this glowy slash dewy makeup look that you see right here. So first I applied a lip balm on my lips to moisturize my lips, and then I'm going to apply this Pearl Essence Argan Plus Vitamin E oil all over my face, and I'll rub it down to my neck to keep my face moisturized. I've been using this oil and it's really working for me. Like, this is the major secret to my glowy makeup look. Then again, I'm going to apply the Nivea Men Aftershave Balm on my face as my face primer. So I already drew my brows off camera. I'm just going ahead to clean it up so it will look nice and clean.
It's fake kills.
Now that I'm done with my brows, I'm going to color correct my dark circles and spots using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange. And for foundation, I'll be mixing the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 450 together with the Nip Fab Foundation in dark. So the Fenty Beauty used to be my shade, but for some reasons it happens to be lighter than my skin tone now. So I mix it up with this dark shade. To highlight my face, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. So after applying the concealer, I let it sit for a while before blending it out. This gives me full coverage on my face, and also I find it to be a lot more easier for me to blend without having the concealer spreading all over my face, if that makes any sense. For my eyes, I'll be using the Sephora Vivid Earth eyeshadow palette. To set my eyes, I'm using Original from that palette, and for my crease color, I'll be using the shade Pulse.
Girls them a come, them a whining on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor.
For my lid color, I'll be using the shade Initial.
Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give.
To darken out my outer V, I'm using the shade Untamed.
Me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that.
So right now, I'm using the same beauty sponge that I used to apply my foundation to blend out my concealer.
That enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me radar. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see.
To set the highlighted part of my face, I'll be using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder.
Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy ya, say she give me pommy ya. Inna ya, say she give me inna ya.
To contour my face, I'll be using the Bella Pierre Mineral Powder Foundation in Mahogany.
Say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in every grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in the thing so.
I went back into the Sacha Buttercup setting powder and my beauty sponge to do my reverse contour. And to set my entire face, I'm using the NYX No Filter Finishing Powder in Mahogany.
Girl, for me yard, see me for me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel love my fantasy.
I'm using that same face powder together with a small fluffy angle brush to contour my nose.
Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's V-Kills.
To line my eyes, I'm using the Kat Von D tattoo liner in black.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about that. Bad man, what you say?
And for mascara, I'm using the Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home mascara in black.
It's V-Kills.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright.
To line my lips, I'm using the Dose of Color matte liquid lipstick in Chocolate Wasted. And after that, I'm going to apply the NYX lingerie lipstick in Baby Doll.
Feeling the crew, dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls, no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee way. They wanna put me on the display, but.
And on top of that, I'm going to apply the Beauty Success lip gloss in Shiny Delices.
Me, I know, say, make them watch me on the TV. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If they play my music.
For lashes, I applied these ones that I got on AliExpress. And after that, I went in and lined my eyes using the W7 King Kohl. And then I blended that out using the shade Pulse from the same eyeshadow palette that I used earlier. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pearl Light Loose Highlighter in Candid Glow to add extra glow to my face. This highlighter is so pigmented, guys. It is so pigmented. And you get a whole lot in one jar. Like, I don't even know how many years I'm going to use this highlighter. It is so much and it's super pigmented. But you guys notice that even before adding the highlighter, I'm already glowing from the oil that I applied on my skin. So this is basically my little secret to my glowy skin at the moment. That is what I've been using, and I so much love it. I also find out that my makeup lasts longer during this cold period than it used to be, because sometimes when the weather gets cold, my makeup tends to get dried, and I don't know if I should use the word cakey. Not really cakey actually, but I just love the way my makeup looks and feels on my skin these days. So if you have dry skin or normal to dry skin, you might want to try this out. But if you have oily skin, I don't know if I recommend this because I do not have oily skin. I went in and used the Manhattan setting spray to set my face, and voila, this is the finished look.
If you get my CD, make you hate me when you see me now. They want to know. Nobody me in the street to myself, only make them. They got to go. Nobody me in the bed, to my calm down.
So guys, this is the finished look, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
But my music fire, it did drive them crazy. àwọn tèmi wọ́n ń gbọ́ mi.